Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about everything you need to know about Amazon affiliate program written by Meg Prater. The Amazon affiliate program, also called Amazon Associates, can be an easy way to monetize your website or blog. Simply sign up, receive immediate approval and place Amazon affiliate links on your site today. When someone makes an Amazon purchase via one of your links, you get the commission. It's that simple. But how do you get started? Below, you'll find a step by step guide to becoming an Amazon affiliate with screenshots. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, starting your own business, or just looking for a small business side hustle, I hope you'll find this guide a helpful place to start. What is Amazon Affiliate Program? The Amazon Affiliate Program or Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program. It's free for website owners and bloggers to become Amazon Associates. They advertise products from Amazon.com on their sites by creating links. When customers click the links and buy products from Amazon, they earn referral fees. Amazon Affiliate Program Rules and Requirements. Being an Amazon associate is a great way to monetize passion projects or make supplementary income from your brand. However, Amazon has guidelines for associates to follow, so it's best to understand those before you dive in. Non-compliance may result in being banned from the program. The majority of the rules are in place for ethical promotion as well as prevention associates from gaming system. Here are some of the big ones to keep in mind. You must disclose on your site or in your communication that you may be eligible to earn from your recommendations. You must not make false or deceptive claims in your recommendations. Avoid referring to prices with some exceptions since prices frequently change. Don't use Amazon affiliate links in offline promotions, ebooks, or email. Do not use link shorteners or affiliate links. You can read Amazon's full policy here. How to become an Amazon affiliate? Create a website or blog. Navigate to Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. Enter your account information. Enter your website address. Enter your preferred store ID. Explain how you drive traffic to your site. Choose your payment method. Create Amazon affiliate links. Create a website or blog. To become an Amazon associate, you must have an active website, blog, app, or YouTube channel. It's also helpful if you have pre-populated that site with content so it appears active and authentic to both users and Amazon. Remember, you must be able to describe the purpose of your website as part of the application process, so have a firm idea of why you are creating your site, the audience you'll target, and how you'll bring in traffic. Navigate the Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. In order to become an Amazon affiliate, you'll need to create your Amazon Associate account. To do that, visit the Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. From there, you'll be promoted to log in to your existing Amazon account or create one. Enter your account information. Enter your account info including the name, address, phone number of the PI. Enter your website address, apps, YouTube channel, etc. Enter your preferred store ID. Enter your preferred store ID usually the same as your primary website name. Explain what your website hopes to accomplish and select Amazon to topics your links will likely target. Explain how you drive traffic to your site. Explain how you drive traffic to your websites, how you use your website or apps to generate income, how you usually build links, and how many visitors your site bring in each month. Choose your payment method. Choose whatever to enter your payment, credit card, and tax ID information in now or later, then proceed to your dashboard. Create Amazon affiliate links. It's also where you'll search from relevant products to link to from your content. Here's how. Log into your Amazon Associates account, click on product linking in the top banner and select product links. Click the go button, click the get link button on the right side of the result. Use the generated link on your site or other promotion materials according to Amazon standards. And that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video.